buddy build for the B-17 bomber. I kind of got a little carried away. This model has been actually going together so well. The two halves are not glued together. They're just rubber band right now, as you can see. But I do have the interior pieces together, a lot of the other pieces, so I just got to put a lot of the windows in and then glue the two halves together. This kit came with this nice stand. The bottom piece that mounts the plane to the stand is not glued in, so that's why it's such a hell of a tilt. As you can see, I gotta glue some more stuff on there, but I kind of wanted to get a sense of the feel for how this is going to be. Everything still actually works. It's quite a nice model, actually. Put that stand in. It's got a nice little tag on it. B-17G Flying Fortress from Boeing. I'll have to figure out how I'm going to make that paint add up really nice. So, landing gear actually got a nice click to them, so you can get it to go in and out. So I do have that, and then the wings actually have a nice clip to them. Let's see. Get it to focus in there. It's a little hard. It's gonna be hard to see. This kit comes with all the guys, all the guns. This is a 1/64 scale, if I didn't say that already. So this is the Lindberg line. So nose art edition. I just saw it the other day, so it's actually kind of excited that you guys are gonna have to do a group build, because I just got this not too long ago. So, alright, so this is the inside. Make sure. So I still have a lot to glue together on that. This piece here comes out. I gotta put the windows in first, then glue that in, and then the turret. But they got the doorways, you know, the crawl tubes, and then the doorway here to get into the nose gunner. I think also, well, I don't know. I always heard stories that you had to be pretty small to be the nose gunner. I would never been able to be in there. So. And then the tail gunner section. I got the windows for that. Hit the glue in. The wing just clips on, so I'm going to have to repaint that before I put everything together, just in case you see it. I don't think you'll see it because that's the only window. Yeah, on both sides. So you guys with the 1/48 scale planes are going to have a lot of fun with your builds, because they're going to be huge. This one being the 1/64 scale makes it a lot more manageable. But so that's what I got so far. I'm about ready to glue that together. More on the kit that I've had. I can't remember where I got this from. I think it's at Hobby Lobby. That's the box art. It does come with some nice decals. So there would be your tail markings, and your wings, and your body. And then you get a bunch of nose art. Since it is the nose art edition, I don't know which one I'm going to use yet. Probably end up going to be the girl on the bomb. Got a bunch of different names. I don't know if you guys can see that since it's white. Well, maybe like that. And then you got all the bomb hits. You can put a bunch of those on there. So there's a lot that you can customize on this kit. So I've been looking for a group build. I'm glad you guys weren't going to be picky on it, on your buddy build, and allowing us to jump in on it. It should be a lot of fun. You can tell I've been having a lot of fun. I'm already a good portion of the way done. So, and just a little update on the Chevelle station wagon. I did prime it today, so that's why I really haven't touched much of that today. I got wet sanded a little bit, but I did get it primed. Got the hood primed. It could use a good wet sanding. There's a lot of weird textures on the hood from molding. I don't know if you guys can see that. So let that dry really good, give it a good wet sand, and I'm still thinking about it. I'm doing a red and a black two-tone on this. I don't know if I'm going to do it the easy way where I just have the bottom black or top red, or I don't know. I have to look at some more pictures, but I think red and black are going to be the colors I'm going to go with on that. But alright, been watching a lot of you guys' videos. Hope you had a good holiday weekend. I'll see you guys next.